Today we are going to review the BQOOL AI Repricer, so the whole part with AI repricing rule, because yesterday I made the move. I had the $25 plan and I made the move to the $100 plan. Before we get into the video, we have a Discord server for this channel, so if you want to hang out with us, if you have any questions regarding Amazon, best place to ask them is on the Discord, right? We have a super great community with a lot of people that are super helpful. I'm also learning a lot from a lot of people in the community, in the server. So yeah, join the server and let's start with this video. So as I said yesterday night, actually like close to 24 hours ago, I was doing my repricing. So I was checking my listings and stuff, I was setting my rules and stuff, and I reached the point where I was not able to add any more to set the repricer for more listings, because I reached the maximum, which is 1,000 listing. And we're going to dive into the computer. We're going to look at their different plans. So I had the choice to move either to the $50 plan or straight to the $100 plan, so I can fully utilize the AI repricing rules, right? So I decided to make the move to the $100 amount plan, because I wanted to really see if it was going to help me, if the AI rules are going to help me. But this is not the only thing. The thing is that with the $100 amount plan, the software is repricing your listings like pretty much all the time. So with the other plans, it's only gonna reprice them every 15 minutes. Right there on BQOOL, it's telling you that it's instant, but like below that it's written that it's doing it as fast as Amazon allows it, which I have no idea if it's really instant, but I believe it is. So I wanted to test this, and by the way, I'm not paid by BQOOL. Quick disclaimer, I'm not paid by BQOOL. This is not a sponsored video, all that stuff. I mean, if they want to sponsor me, like I'll appreciate it. Give me some free months, whatever. Just send me some money. It's always appreciated, but it's not a sponsored video. So I'm just here to actually make a review and to tell you guys how it went. So to be honest, it's really ridiculous. I have no idea if it's the AI rules or the fact that, you know, the repricing is done all the time, that it's instant, like that it's not done every 15 minutes. And I'm going to show you basically my seller app. Let me just refresh it. Let me refresh it in front of you. And you're going to see that today's sales are pretty, like, it's crazy. Wait, let it focus. And yeah, so you can see that today's bar is super high. So I've never had, whoa, let me just refocus this. I've never had, like the most I had, my all-time high was 2,000 something in a day, right? I never had a $3,000 day. And I was talking to the Discord and I was saying, like, because I was like close to 2,000 by 2 p.m. And I was talking to the Discord with a lot of guys and stuff, and I said, today's probably going to be my first 3K day, because like this AI repricer is super ridiculous. And I have no idea if it's actually the AI rules or the repricing speed that actually changed. And we're going to see all that when we dive into the computer, right? But I guess it's more the repricing speed than the AI rules, because I left, like, for a lot of my repricer that were already set, I did not change the rules, so I left my old rules. So yeah, if you don't know how to set rules and stuff, and you do not have the $100 plan, like check out the sort of video right there. I'm pretty sure I'm right. If you guys follow the video every day, you know I'm always wrong. I watch the videos, I trained. I'm pretty sure it's this side. It's this side. The video is going to show up here. It's going to show you all my previous repricing rules, or I used it. You can, like, you do not have to actually get the AI repricer when you are starting. So I was making like 35,000 amount of sales on Amazon, and I was like doing great without it. I had the $25 plan. I kept the $25 plan until yesterday. I made like 30 to 35,000 a month revenue. You do not need it if you're starting. If you think that you cannot compete because you do not have the AI repricer rule, or that like because of the repricing speed is too slow, and you do not get sales, your problem is not your repricer. Your problem is that you suck at sourcing, and like you need to find better leads. And if you want to find better leads, I also have videos on that. I'll put them over there. I have a whole playlist on sourcing. I talk a lot about sourcing, like from left to right, from up down. I talk a lot about repricing. Watch those videos, find better leads. Your repricer is not your problem. But when you reach a certain point, as you saw, like it's crazy, like the bar, like the way, like you can even see on the graph how ridiculous it is. Like how ridiculous it is, like all my sales went today. So I'm pretty sure it has more to do with the repricing speed than the AI rules. I should say that I did set the AI rules on some listings where I had a lot of stock, on some listings where you know, I did not sell as much as I wanted to because there's bigger sellers and stuff. And like I noticed that today those listings are moving way faster as well. So that's one part. But I think that the biggest part, the biggest selling point, I'm sorry, is the repricing speed, because the way my listings are moving, even listings that I did not set as AI, like where I did not set the AI rules, it's actually crazy. So yeah, if you are just starting, do not get the $100 plan. You do not need it. But like when you start making more money, when you have a lot of inventory and it makes sense, do it. Like you saw how crazy it was for me. The jump, I'm probably gonna be like, it was my first 3,000 day, and like it's only 11 p.m. so we have until 3 a.m. Maybe it's gonna be like I'm close to 4,000 for this day. Maybe it's gonna be my first 4,000 day, and it's just because I switched my repricing plan. So that's actually crazy. Let's see how it goes. And yeah, so let's dive into the computer and let's actually look at those different things that they have on BQOOL. So as you can see, there's 5 plans over there, and I believe that there's one more than that. There's one more plan that you can, like, if you're really enterprise, you have more listings than that. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. I think I saw that when I upgraded, but I'm not sure. But yeah, let's look at that. So if you got the $25 plan, you'll see that basically you only have 1,000 listings available. So this is why I had to upgrade. I reached the maximum. I guess I could have gone back and see listings where I did not have stock and that I did not want to replenish, but like I did not want to do that. It was way easier for me to just pay the $75 instead of going back to like all listings, deleting them. And that way I was able to, it made me able to actually check the repricing rules, right? So with the $25 plans, you pretty much do not have anything. Let me check. Yeah, the number of users, stuff. Yeah, you do not have anything. Basically, you like, I mean, the only thing that you're gonna get the conditional repricing rules. That's something that's actually pretty new. It's been a few months that they implemented that, so we'll make another video on that because today we are looking at the AI powered repricer. And yeah, so the conditional repricer is only being available, like it's not going to be available if you take the $25 plan, but it's going to be available for all the other plans, right? Same thing for the AI repricer, right? The only thing that really changed at $100, as I said, is the repricing speed. As you can see it here, the repricing speed becomes instant, and they say as fast as Amazon allows, which I'm pretty sure is super fast because they use the API, right? But yeah, so basically the AI powered repricer, you have 5 different, and actually you have more than that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry, I'm tired. Yeah, you have 5 different repricing rules. And the way AI powered repricer works, like compared to the rule-based repricer, is that basically the rule-based repricer, which is this thing that you see over there, you can create, I believe you can create as many rules as you want, but basically how you set them up is that you basically tell them, okay, if X happens, do Y. If Z happens, do A. Like if A happens, do B and stuff. And so it's pretty limited. And the difference with the AI-powered repricer is that I guess I don't really know if it works with an AI and stuff. I guess it's more algorithmic, and the algorithm is a little bit more, a little bit more advanced. But like basically, you start with the end goal. So is your end goal to have more sales, or is your end goal to optimize profit? And like it's a spectrum. So on the left of the spectrum, you would have optimize for sale. On the right of the spectrum, you have optimize for profit, right? So it will bring up the price and stuff to actually like start to bring the price up, bring the buy box price up. On the other side, it will actually cut the price and stuff. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but like don't quote me on that, but it will look more at getting you more sales, even if it has to cut the price, right? So basically on the left right there, you have the rule that's called AI sales maximizer. On the right, you have the rule that is AI profit booster. And then in between those, you have you have AI profit maximizer, basically, right? And in between those, you have like the AI equalizer that is right in the middle, and then you have AI profit maximizer, which is a little bit less. I'm sorry, AI profit booster that is a little bit less than the AI profit maximizer. Same things with the sales booster, which is a little bit less than the AI sales maximizer. And you know, it's see it as a spectrum. And like, if you want more profit, go with this. If you want more sales, go with this. And then there's 3 things in between, right? That's pretty much all you need to think about it. Right, and so it becomes available with the $50 plan. So if you really want, and it's only 10 rules. So I guess, yeah, it could be helpful if you have like only a few listings where you really want to add it. I mean, for example, if you have some listings that are, you know, you have a lot of stock, it's a really good seller, and you really want to optimize, for example, for profit or just to sell super fast, it would make sense. But like, it's not really going to be helpful if you only have 10 of them, right? So yeah, the $100 plan, the only one where you have the instant repricing speed. I'm pretty sure this is the main reason why my sales really went up today that way. So it's really crazy, to be honest. I don't even know what more to say. It's, I guess, because I often talk about time in inventory, and I guess this is going to enable me to actually scale my business way faster, because I'm going to be able to have way more sales way faster, and probably increase my profit way more with the AI, because I use a lot the AI profit booster rule. So I would need to check the difference with, if I see a difference between the AI powered rules and the rule based rules. We'll see about that. I'll make another video, but as of now, I'm pretty sure that the main difference, the thing that really make the difference, is the repricing price, right? So the repricing speed, I'm sorry. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you're starting, once again, do not get the $100 repricer. You do not really need it. You'll be fine with the $25 one. I've been fine until I made like $35,000 amounts. Now maybe it's gonna help me go to 50, 60K way faster. 50, 60K a month way faster. We'll see about that. I'll keep you updated, because as you know, I release a video every day at 3 p.m. EST, just like this one. So yeah, tune in if you want to hang out with us. If you want to hang out with the cool kids, because yeah, with the cool kids. I'm just joking, yeah. Subscribe, like the video, whatever, you know what to do. I'll see you tomorrow.